Alright, so pretty much what we're gonna do first is focus on the roof of the car. Roof of the car to me is the most important part because it takes the most beating on the sun, UV rays and all that good stuff. The roof on this car probably is the worst spot. I mean, I don't know what the heck going on right here. All these little brown things, that's just sand. All that's gonna come off when I start blocking on it. But these pits were real bad on this roof. And then we have the joint right here from where the new quarter was welded on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean this up real good, and then I'm going to apply panel bond inside this crease. What we use panel bond for over here, it's a glue that we put quarter panels on, bedsides, door skin, anything that's glued from the manufacturer. What that is going to do is it is going to form a nice buildup in this crease. When the car flexes, like going off a curb or turning in a driveway, that panel bond is going to be all nice and tight in these creases right here, and it won't crack. Body filler will crack. That's why if you look on episode 3, you'll see where it was some cracks here, some cracks here. You got body filler about a 1/2 inch thick. Eventually it's going to crack. So my job is to make sure we don't have to go back with as much body filler on this car as it had. It had a lot of body filler on it. So, like I said, the goal right now is get this cleaned out real good, and then we're gonna apply some panel bond and get it nice and tight in those creases so we don't have to worry about rust, number one. We don't have to worry about moisture getting in, and we don't have to worry about it cracking later on down the road. So let's grab the panel bond and get going. Stuff is real thick. I'm gonna push it in these cracks real good. That way there's no air, no moisture gets in there. That's the goal. It's got this little spot right here brewed up when I found this little hole when I started digging. So we're gonna push panel bond all in that hole. Panel bond has an ingredient in it that prevents rust from forming. So if any rust is trying to start, it'll hold it down too. As you see, I got gloves on because this stuff is messy. Good thing is it takes about, I don't know, about 3 hours for this stuff to start locking up. So you got plenty of time to sit there and make sure it's perfect how you want it. It's not like spreading body filler. Just trying to shape it up, make my body line right here. I mean, we gotta come back after it's dry and kind of scuff it up so we can come over with the body filler. But for the most part, got it pretty nice and covered. Move on to the other side. Like I said, the goal here is to, number one, strengthen the welds, give them a little bit more support, which the welds are good. I kind of dropped the headliner on both sides, and I kind of dug in there and made sure that the welds had good penetration. I found that they did. So that's why I didn't proceed to put any more welds myself. Plus it looks like when they welded these quarters on, they really heated them up pretty good. They had so much body filler on them because they warped the quarter panels. That's something that's pretty easy to do. These days we have welders where we can set the temperature on them so they don't burn too hot, so they don't warp the metal. You gotta know what you're doing welding panels, because you can heat up panels real good and warp them pretty bad, which it strengthens the panel, but it makes you have more work in the long run. And that's kind of what happened with this side here. Is actually going a little better than the other side. All right, I think we got it. All right, let me start playing with it because I'll sit there and fart with it all day. So while that's drying, pretty much I'm going to block this roof real good. We're going to find all the low spots, and we're going to start putting body fill on this roof, getting it ready, and y'all know the deal. All right, we're going to hit this roof with some guide coat. This guide coat is going to show us all the low spots, show us what to focus on. That's the thing I love about using guide coat. A lot of people don't like using it, but it's a little old school method. Man, real talk, I should be charging y'all for this. This is a one-on-one restoration class I'm giving y'all. I really need to be charging y'all. So y'all better make sure y'all subscribe. And y'all better make sure y'all hit me with some likes, because I'm helping a lot of guys out right now that I'm sure is struggling on their restoration. Oh, let me get me a block here. I'm gonna come and show y'all what I'm talking about.
Yeah, they got a low spot right here. Got a small low spot right here. It's super wavy right here. Put ourselves some body filler on there, and we about to, you know. Crack kill!
You know what? Like when you talk, sometimes you want to punch you in the face.
It's all good.
Oh, you got that thing on?
I'm gonna put it in front so you can see it.
All right.
That hoe's super low right there. I might spread some more.
Bro, nah, until this, because that's where you're in at. Until
Yeah.
you got a ring right there, block all that off.
All right.
Keep blocking that. Because this is high.
Yeah.
Because that wasn't a dent. You see what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
you want to take all that off.
There we go.
If you keep hitting the same spot over and over and it starts showing metal around it, it's going to make that metal swell. It's going to start rising. So the dent you now have was that big, she's going to keep walking. I would stop. I'd just move on to another one.
I'll just come holler at it later on.
Yeah.
He ain't having it right now. Gotta put some elbow grease in this one. Hey Dom, you check some of this out.
Alright, so this here, you need to get your spreader white like that. This whole little area.
All
I'm gonna
right,
block it with that long block.
all right.
Like this.
What about this right here? Feel kind of high in between those two
It just need
spots.
to be massaged.
Yeah, I massaged it a little bit.
That feels good. That's pretty much what we're gonna do. We're gonna prime this whole thing.
Yeah, so it's gonna fill in all these spots up
Yeah.
here.
And then we're gonna come back, we're gonna guide cut it again, and
Okay.
we're gonna block it again.
All right,
Probably
fix
gonna
it.
prime this 3 times before it's perfect.
Okay.
And then once we got it perfect, then we're gonna move on to the next panel.
All right. This is my shirt I've been looking for right here. It's my lucky t-shirt. What you done did with my shirt, Devin?
Wipe all that Bondo off.
You did?
Clean that motor oil with it.
For real? Some friend you are, huh? That's why you should never trust the Devin.
Who
Ever.
say we was friends?
That's a good one.
Explain it, TJ.
It's all good.
I
So
love you, man.
y'all don't believe him. He's just saying that because the camera's on.
Don't be telling each other how much y'all love each other when this camera on.
Oh, we gonna get that one in there for sure.
TJ, teach you something. You're doing body work. I'll show you your best friend, right? Her name's called Pamela Henderson.
Okay.
Put that sucker on there. She ain't never gonna lie to you. So every time you use Pamela Henderson, look away. You know what I'm saying? Focus on something else.
Yeah.
But just, you know, kind of stare after the day. Yeah, like right here.
Okay, well I'm about to spread some right
Yeah,
there.
like to
then.
wipe that sucker down.
I ain't got enough. Son, why it come out so smooth like that when you did that, man?
So what you're gonna do is take all that off because it's picking up a lot of trash. Don't lay it. Try to put it and press it down as you do it.
Okay.
Come out smooth.
Okay.
Using that.
Yeah.
That's another part. Use the medium.
Use the medium one?
Yeah, that's-
It's gonna make it what?
It's gonna do what it's doing because you're not blocking the whole thing. You're just blocking one little area. So it's gonna.
Devin, you so real, bro. For real. Like, you just helped me out.
Now what a tarnation is going on, man. He got that long torso. Come on, Devin. Get up there. Before I get my belt. Go. Hold up, man.
Lord!
Burn out.
Come on, man.
Oh, yeah. Man, either this truck stink or you stink, Devin.
It's a truck, man.
Golly. That boy Devin smelling like hot draws out here, son. What?
I'm done with you.
If we break it, we'll fix it.
Bro, if I would have fell off the front of that sucker,
Yeah.
I would have died.
It would have went viral. That would have been my viral video right there.
Max. Not on there, buddy.
You on camera, boy. Welcome to the channel.
Hey, Dom.
What's up?
I'm about to go get my old lady.
Hold on, hit me with that one more time. Where you going, TJ?
Gotta go get my old lady.
Your old lady?
Yeah. Old lady.
Why you gotta go get your old lady, TJ?
Once you start calling everything.
Alright, this is all TJ got done today, man. He only fixed 37,000 dents on his hood. That's all he got done today, man. CJ, you slipping, bro. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's about 10 dents in one. And we still got some more. We got too many to count. Max, how many dents we got on there? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. That's 3 and 1. Key, check Max out, man. Max got his own channel coming out.
Come on, Max. Marty Max.
Called Mad Max TV.
Mad Max TV.
Shay, let me.
Oh, he bowing, y'all. He bowing. Can't have this, man. This is not a bone.
This is a lot faster than the deck lid.
Let's see what we got. All the dents. So you ready to prime?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put the first coat on it, and I'm gonna let you.
Do the second one?
Yeah. Remember that block here? Get your DA with some 320. You see all them little spots? We're gonna DA all them. See, I don't want to see none of them little spots. That's like some little pieces of little sand that got under the primer. So our panel bond is dry finally. We got dust all over it, but this stuff is hard as a brick. All we need to do is get all this nice and straight. This stuff is gonna feather edge down with a DA, probably with some 80 grit. And then we'll be to put body filler over this seam and work this whole area right here. And that way it'll be in perfect shape and be ready to prime. So far it's super dry, super hard, and it's ready to go. All right, so we got body work going on the door. It's looking good, getting that ready to prime. Working on the roof. Roof coming along good. Got a big nasty dent right here in the front we working on. TJ getting the hood ready to prime. See, hurry up. Moving like a snail. He only fixed 42 dents on this sucker, so. We got the deck lid ready though. Deck lid is all primed, looking pretty. That don't belong in there. This thing looks awesome. Get that done a little closer. Go a little closer. There you go. Now you putting some prime on it. Nah, they gonna block out. We're gonna block this thing and prime it again. You know the game. That boy TJ prime like he got arthritis. Look at him. He like he peeing in the woods. You done peeing, bro? We got about 17 coats to go, but you doing good. Let that tack up for a minute. We're gonna finish the rest up. Good job, TJ. You doing a good job, man. So pretty much I'm pooped for the day. Raining outside. It's cold. Y'all can see all the progress we got done so far. We got the roof getting it blocked, almost ready for primer. Found some more dents on it. Hood is pretty much ready for primer, and then we're going to have to reblock it, reprime it. That's just the process with these older cars to make them straight, because they're not straight from the factory. The deck lid is we're on this third round of primer. Once TJ primes the hood, then we're going to prime the deck lid again. I'm hoping we can block that deck lid one more time, and we can final prime it and be done with it. And then we'll do the next thing. We'll be pretty much priming is that roof. That roof is pretty bad. So, and man, make sure y'all check out the merch. We got the merch dropping. We got the t-shirts. I don't have one on right now, but we got the t-shirts, we got the hoodies, and all type of colors. Make sure y'all check out the merch. This is pretty much it on episode 5, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in again, checking it out. Appreciate all the love. The channel, we about to hit 30,000 subs, man. The project with the 67 is going real good right now. We're in the bodywork stage. It's gonna take some time. I'm thinking probably a couple more episodes. We're gonna be doing body work on this thing. It's gonna take a little minute, just getting all the body lines perfect and everything, so that we can final prime it and start getting it ready to paint. And it's gonna get real exciting with that part. But I appreciate y'all tuning into the channel again. Y'all have a blessed one.